Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm from the Rosy Posy based out of Manassas, Virginia. Today I'm going to show you working from home how to make a boutonniere. So I'm going to start with the freesia and give a little snip. And I'm going to use this nice big bell flower right here. We're going to need to wire it to create some sustainability. So we pop it right the way through its little head. Make a U with your wire. And come all the way back down and through the stamen to create a solid stem. We're using floral tape. We'll give it a little cover it over just to make it pretty. So here's a freesia. And then I think I'm going to use this really pretty pink Helleborus head right here. And again, for sustainability, I'm just going to tape a wire. It gives me more control over the flower when I'm putting the boutonniere together. So I can reuse this wire. I'm going to use a little piece of white tweedia. I'm actually going to use some little buds off of the freesia, along with some cute little pieces of the wax. I'm going to start to put the boutonniere together. So I'm going to start with my greenery, my back, and then I love texture. I'm all about adding texture to my floral design. So this will be the base, and then here's my focal. Along with that, I'm going to add the hellebore. I think my little piece of tweedia, you see how I can manipulate the flower because it's on a wire. We add some of the wax flower in there, some more little bits of greenery, and then we have a cute boutonniere. And I'm actually just going to tie a little piece of this floral tape up at the top here. This natural silk ribbon here to give it that organic feel. A little snip, snip. There we have a cute boutonniere.